First step is mix the chicken with soy sauce, calamansi juice, and vinegar. 2. Heat cooking oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. 3. Saute garlic until fragrant and add onion. 4. Add chicken and mix well. 5. Add fish sauce, magic syrup, and pepper seeds. Mix well and cover it for a few minutes. 6. Add the soy sauce and small amount of water. Make sure that is only small amount to avoid watering. Add small amount of soy sauce, pepper leaves, and wild chili. 7. Lower heat and simmer until the pork is tender. This is only optional.